Air purifiers are important to any home, especially in the Coachella Valley. By removing pollutants from the air, air purifiers can help to improve your overall health and well-being. They use filters and other technologies to trap particles such as dust mites, mold spores, smoke particles, and volatile organic compounds. Portable air purifiers are smaller units that can be moved from room to room or placed on a tabletop for personal use. HEPA filters are highly efficient in capturing 99.97% of particulate matter, including pollen, pet dander, bacteria, viruses, and even some gases like formaldehyde. Air purifiers are especially useful for people with allergies or asthma sufferers who need relief from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease symptoms caused by poor indoor air quality due to airborne particles such as dust mites and pollen. Some portable models also include UV light technology, which helps kill airborne bacteria and viruses without releasing ozone into the environment. To keep your air purifier running optimally, you'll need to perform some maintenance. First, you'll need to change the filter every 3 to 6 months, depending on how often you use it and how polluted your environment is outside of your home. Next, you'll need to clean the air purifier regularly and ensure that no vents or openings are blocked on the unit itself. Finally, check the air purifier's performance regularly to ensure that it's working optimally. Investing in an air purifier will improve indoor air quality while reducing allergens in your home, making life easier if you suffer from respiratory issues like asthma or hay fever. With regular maintenance, including changing filters every few months, ensuring no vents are blocked off, and keeping an eye on fan speeds, these units should provide clean, healthy breathing space within homes throughout Coachella Valley, California, for years to come.